I'm a beautiful creature.
If they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Where? Where are we?
We're going to Bunggan dito na. Naata sa boarding and nagkita pa sa mga kani ang mga tao. Nga ang mga plants. And I will.
And as you can see, ang init. So, what do you think guys? Sino mas older sa amo? Hi King. Asa ka pa dong King?
Kuan sa Kambunggan.
Ay di ka sa ganitaw na.
Mamanikan.
Mamanhikan.
Asa man?
Kasi mamanhik. Aw.
Labay raman si King. Binag mo. So guys, nakasilong nami after adong sobrang init. Life is a nightmare.
And I am as a tour guide. As you can see, sila mga kumatang. Don't mind my accent because look at the surroundings. It's full of plants and coconut trees, which you can use to make a food delicacies like suman or muron. So many more. You will use kudkuran. Here in the Philippines, we use kudkuran to make the kudkud. Ito mga kaguran. So you make the kudkud of the nyog.
But I still look young. Look at me.
I'm a beautiful creature.
So guys, may mga nakasaag dito sa likod.
Dili man kita. There are four creatures. Aliens. No, four capris. Sasabak
Init na po ito. May sayang dyan ang Kodik. So guys, niabot na meron sa
Bird. Nagoy na remember direct.
Kambunggan. Did you see that? The dirty smoke something. It's called gas emissions.
Toxic.
They're just
Gas.
dirty
Toxic gas.
Oh, ano?
Toxic gas.
Ito na ba ta? Where are we? Where are we, miss? Miss, nonchalant ka, miss.
Ay.
Nonchalant dito.
Dili pa ako ang
Hold up to ni miss. Hold up na eh. Nonchalant dito ka, miss. Yan si Tingsi.
Gusto ka? Oh.
Or, misita mi.
Hi! Ano nawag siya? Amoy!
Bilang sa...
If they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Ako kasi may tutulong na.
Garcia. Uy, ang memo may ako
No comment.
Model.